and welcome to my Amazon live stream. It is a thrilling Tuesday. Usually Tuesdays are kind of just the start of the week, but I am very happy with today's Tuesday because we are going to be talking about some pet equipment and supplies and looking over the discounts and sales that are happening right now. Now, I do have something that I would like to unbox with you today, and we're gonna go over my favorite equipment, my favorite pet supplies, as well as what I like to use for our new, and this is a lot worse than I had hoped, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay. Let's go back to my vacuum. Actually, everything here is kind of in a peculiar circumstance, so I can't actually. Let's see what else I wanted to talk about. I feel like that was most of it. They want dominance, room domination. That's what they want. Now, I did find some treat feeders or like dog camera feeders on Amazon that I think would be very interesting and a good investment for any cat or dog owners, because these treat tossing cameras can help your can help you interact with the pets. Hi. Is this Taco? No, it's not Taco. Hi, Elizabeth. Welcome to the stream. Happy to have you here. Elizabeth says, OMG, I didn't know you had bunnies. Yeah, we just got them a couple months ago. So I'm just going through my favorites, my favorite supplies and equipment for pets, pet supplies, pet equipment. And they are fighting right now, but they're still very young. They're about 4 months old, so they're at the age where they're going through puberty, and they're fighting for dominance between each other. Oh, it is Taco! I was so off. This Taco. Welcome. Yeah, but if you have pets, like I usually am home, so that's why I don't have one of these. What do you call this? A camera interacting treat feeder, and you can like look at your animal, talk to them, and toss them treats. Like you can teach them tricks while you're not even there, which I think is very cool. Let's see. I think that was most of what I wanted to talk about this stream. So that was it for my recommendations and my favorites in animal supplies, pet supplies, and pet equipment. I just set up today the Laxihub pet camera. This is the P2 pet camera, indoor security camera. Looks like this, and you can actually see that I've installed it and it's on right now. Let me go and grab my phone so I can show you the app. Oh, where did I put it? Oh, my phone's right here. It's right in front of me. Now, I don't know if you can actually have this automatically move along with the motion, but it is a tilt and pan camera. It's on sale right now for 25% off, so you can save, I believe, $10, a little bit under $10, maybe like $9 off of this camera right now. And it tilts and pans quite a bit. It rotates 355 degrees horizontally, so it can rotate almost 100, like almost the whole camera. And it also rotates 60 degrees vertically, so you can get a very, very wide field of vision with this camera. I'm wondering if there's a space I can show you. Like this. Okay, we'll just play it. And it's live right now. Ta-da! Oh, you can also record. You can record footage. And let's see. Let's see if I can, yeah, so if you tap it, you can actually control all the way around. That's on top of my desk. Let me move this so you can see the room. So from here, you can see my desk. Oh my gosh, it goes all the way around. This is my whole table. That's the camera right there. And then you can span the whole room. It's already quite a wide angle camera. And then it's me. Wow, so it does go 360. You can get a 360 view. If you place this in the middle of the room, like mounted to the ceiling, you can get a 360 view of your room. It also goes up like this to the ceiling, like to the ceiling. It also goes into privacy mode if you'd like some privacy, like if you are coming out of the shower or whatever and you don't want the camera to be accessing like that footage, you can just have the lens up into the top of the camera lens cover, and then all the way down like this. Cool. Super cool. I'm not sure actually where I'm gonna set this up. I might set it up in their pen room, or I might set it up in the living room, depending. It'll be great for me to just see them when I'm not home, like see the pets or see what's going on in the home when I am not in the home. So that's it for this live stream. I hope you enjoyed. And if you would like any requests you'd like to make for future live streams, definitely leave me a chat, or you can message me or leave a comment on any of my content platforms. My name is Nami for everyone who's joining us right now, and I live stream here on Amazon Live multiple times a week. If you'd like to see future live streams where I stream everything beauty, from hair, skincare, nails, and makeup, and I also do some tech streams and gaming streams with VR, and now I guess I'm doing pet content too, just because it's a part of my life now. And you can follow me right up in this corner by clicking the follow button. You'll have to hover over the screen and click the follow button that appears in a gray rectangle. If you're on mobile, you will have to tap the screen, give me a little high five, and the yellow follow button should appear down in this corner. That'll give you access to my future live streams, as well as my current live streams and past live streams by going to amazon.com/live once you are following my channel. So that is it. I will see you in the next stream, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.